Yo, welcome to my channel. I'm here to do easy, medium LeetCode questions. And today we have Invert Binary Tree. And this question is asked by Amazon, Google, and Microsoft currently. And speaking from the experience, Amazon really like to ask this kind of question. And if you really know why, please comment below and I will make a video for this. So okay, back to this question. Inverted a binary tree. So this question is really similar to the question that we did for symmetric tree. Basically, we have to invert the position for 2 and 7, 1 and 9, and 3 to 6. So basically, it's like a symmetric tree inversion. And started from this question, we're thinking, okay, first of all, we can think about this question and break it down like this. First of all, the first step we need to do is we come in 4, and 4 have left tree and right tree. So first thing we need to do is invert the left tree, left node, and the right node become 4, 7, 6, 9, 2, 1, 3. And then after that, and we invert the left node itself, which is 6 and 9 inverted, will become, and 2 inverted, it become 3 and 1 in here. So eventually this will come into the inverted version in here. So basically this is the logic of this question. So now let's code it out. For this question, we started with a helper function. Invert. Input the tree node. What we need to do is modify the root node. Basically, this root node, we modify by switching node 2 and 7, and we become the one that we become to this one. And then after that, we come down to their child and invert individually for 7, and later invert 2 node. What we do is return the root node after we modified it. The helper function is for us to do the action. So first we get the node to check if node is equal to null. In that case, we just return. So we don't do anything. After that, and we will need to switch to left node and right node. In order to do that, we have a temporary node that's equal to root.left, and root.left is equal to, oh, actually it's no. Equal to node.right, and node.right equal to temp. So this basically switch that to node. So after that, switching that to node, we need to do, we have to go to the left node and right node and repeat the whole process again, because you need to invert the node.left and invert the node.right. And that's it. That should be it. Yeah, submit it. Okay, that solved the problem. But I think we can clean this code, make it a little bit better by not using the helper function. So this way is easy to understand, but we can take it out. by copying this code back to here. Let's see. To just modify the root node. Invert tree, call the original function, and return the root node. So we don't need to have a function anymore. Let's see. Okay. Okay, we don't have this function, but we need to check if the base case root is equal to no, then return no. The base case. And that should be it. So if you have any question, please comment below, and please like and subscribe if you can. I'm here to do my 100 LeetCode question. So see you for the next video. Bye.